To change the front gear case or demand drive fluid on your RZR XP S, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Ensure the vehicle is in park and remove the key. Next, place a drain pan underneath the drain plug. Tip: placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Now, through the front right wheel well, clean the area around the fill plug. Then, remove the fill plug. After this, clean the area around the drain plug. Continue by removing the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before reinstalling, clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Inspect the O-rings on both plugs and replace if necessary. Once complete, reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Next, fill the gear case through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Then, reinstall the gear case fill plug and torque to specification. Next, clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.